Hey guys, it's Jordan from Artika. We're here today to give you guys some tips on how to install a Riviera vanity light fixture. We recommend that this light fixture be installed by a certified electrician. Please read the instruction manual carefully. First, we're going to start by unscrewing the two cap screws with the hex key provided. Next, we're going to fold up the instruction book, use it as a funnel, and we will gently start to pour in the beads. Once the fixture is filled with all the crystal beads, grab your end cap and place it back on top. Secure with the two hex screws provided. Once you are finished with all your crystal placement, you are now ready to proceed to the next step. Remember, safety is of utmost importance when working with electrical connections. Please remember that the light switch is always turned off and the power is turned off at the electrical panel. Next, grab your mounting plate and your level. Place the mounting bracket on the wall. Grab your level, ensure that you're installing your mounting bracket level. Next, we're gonna mark the two holes where we're gonna drill. Next, we're gonna take our drill, and we're gonna drill our pilot holes for our wall anchors. Now grab both wall anchors and insert them into the holes you just made. Next, we're gonna attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the junction box screws. I recommend pulling out the wires out of the junction box first. This way it's easier afterwards. After your mounting bracket has been attached to the junction box, we're now going to take our retaining screws and attach them to the wall. We are now ready to install our lighting fixture. Remember that we can install our lighting fixture using the Artika hook mounted on the back of the fixture. Next, we're going to connect our light fixture. We're going to start by using the white wire of the light fixture to the white wire of the supply coming out of the wall. We're going to move on to the black wire coming out of the light fixture to the black wire of the supply. Using our wire nuts, we're going to twist them securely. Last, we're going to use the ground wire of the light fixture to the ground wire of the supply. We are now ready to put the wires back inside the canopy. Start mounting our fixture using the support screws. After you've installed your new light, remember to go turn the power back on to make sure that everything is working properly. We hope you enjoy your new light. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for some more installation videos and tips.